Hi friends, this is Joe. A very happy day to all. Let's make our day happy by doing the things we love. In my previous video, I showed you how to make a dahlia. Wasn't it easy? I hope you would have tried it. Today, too, I am going to make another type of dahlia. You will surely love it and please do try it. Let's start. For this, you will need a floral string and crepe papers. When you buy your crepe papers, go in for duplex crepe paper, which will be of good quality and it will stretch well. Here I am using white color crepe paper. First I will show you all the measurements to cut each petal. First you will have to cut out 3 into 20 cm 2 pieces. This will be for the inner wall of the flower. Then 3 into 1.5 cm for the next wall. This you will need 12 pieces. Then 4 into 2 cm 36 pieces. Here we will be making 12 closed petals and 24 open petals. Then for the last wall we will be cutting 5 into 2 cm. You will be needing 24 pieces. Then for the sepals we are using the green color paper, which will be 8 into 8 cm 1 piece. First wall of the flower we are going to take 3 into 1.5 cm paper and cut it into the shape of a petal. Then you will have to stretch it in the center so that it looks realistic, and stick it at the bottom to show it as a closed petal. You will need 12 pieces of these. You have to take 4 into 2 cm paper. Similarly cut it in the shape of a petal, stretch in the center, then stick it at the bottom. This will be for the closed petal. You have to make 12 pieces of these closed petals. Then with the same measurement 4 into 2 cm, again cut the petal, then stretch it in the center, stick it at the bottom, and here since it's going to be the open petal, you have to curl the tip of the petal so that it looks realistic and like an open petal. You will be needing 24 pieces of this open petal. Next we will be making a large open petal from 5 into 2 cm crepe paper. Here too you have to follow the similar methods how we did before. You have to cut it in the shape of a petal, then stretch it in the center, and as it is an open petal you have to curl the tip how I am showing you. Then you have to stick it at the bottom to make it realistic. Now for the innermost wall of the flower, we have 2 pieces of 3 into 20 cm crepe paper. Take one of it and fold it and cut it in a zigzag way. Then you'll have to stretch the tips and curl it. Take the other paper and shade it with the green color and yellow color with the help of crayons, and again fold the paper and you cut it in a zigzag pattern, and you have to stretch and curl the tip. Now all our petals are ready. Cut some tissue paper as I am showing you. And then take a floral string, apply glue and wind the tissue paper on it as I am showing you. Now the base for sticking all our petals is ready. First stick the zigzag colored petal, then over it you stick the plain zigzag petal. Now start sticking the 12 small closed petals. Then stick the closed petal from 4 into 2 cm size paper, the 12 petals, and then you have to stick the open petals around it. Lastly, stick the larger petals. Now take 8 into 8 cm green color crepe paper and cut it out as I am showing you. Stick the sepals at the bottom of the flower. I have already rolled the string with the tissue paper. Now let's finish it up with the green color floral tape. Our beautiful white dahlia is ready. Isn't it awesome? Doesn't it look real? Do you want to try it? Don't wait. Get going. Making this dahlia is a little laborious, but it's worth it. Decorate your table with this fresh flower. No one will doubt it is the paper flower. If you like this video, please give your comments and share it with your friends. Thank you. Happy flower making.